Yo, good morning everybody. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. In today's vlog, we got some more Tesla content for y'all, so you already know what time it is. It's time to sit back, relax, and eat snacks. Let's go! I just did a quick trip yesterday to LA, and bro, I am tired. So if I'm a little bit off in this video, that is why, all right? I ended up leaving in the morning, did a 5-hour road trip down there, picked something up, and came back in the same day. Right now we're on the way to the superchargers. I gotta charge this car. It only has 78 miles on it. But while we're at the superchargers, I'm gonna see if I could quickly install this little gift that I got. What the hell is that? Bro, that is grimy. What? Oh, hell nah. I am not touching that saran wrap. It has like some sort of creamy goodness in there. I'm not touching that, bro. That's nasty. My family over at Hand Show ended up sending me this 7-inch rear screen display for the Model 3 and Model Y. I didn't even know that the Model S's and the Model X's come with a rear screen display now. I first saw it when I went into a Tesla showroom, and I thought it was the dopest thing because the rear passengers are able to control the climate, they're able to play music, videos, and all that good stuff with a rear screen display like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to install this before we finish charging, because I heard it's a very easy install, and I feel like that is just a testament on if it's easy or not. So we have about 40 minutes right now to charge, and this is the rear display. So huge shout out to my family over at Hand Show for sending this over, and they're also dope enough to give me a discount code for y'all to use. Everything will be linked down below in the description. This is the unit right here. It's just a plug and play system, so it should be very easy to install. It also comes with some wiring harnesses as well as a trim remover right here. If you're a rear passenger in the Model 3, this is exactly how it looks. It's pretty simple. All you have are these air vents right here, which I've never even twisted or moved, and we also have a couple USB-C plugs for your iPhones or anything that you need to charge. If you have rear passengers, like you have kids or whatever, they might want to see something on this screen right here, because the back of the Tesla, I mean, it's nice. You got the roof, you got a couple lights up here, but it's very simple and it could add a little spice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull off this trim right here. We're just gonna pull towards us, and it should pop off this entire unit. Wow. Super simple. Pull this out, and I'm gonna let this chill over here, just like that. We're also gonna have to remove the bottom panel, which is what we're gonna use that trim remover for. So let me go grab that. There we go. Putting all the smaller wires in first. All of these, we're gonna feed it up, and it's gonna go in between this area up here. I'm gonna show you. This is the vent right here. In between this area, there's a little bit of space, and that's where you're feeding it through. You're not feeding it through the actual vent, but you're just feeding it right through here. Everything looks good right here, and then the last piece we have to do are these wires at the bottom. I just pressed down my thumb, pulled out, and now we could go ahead, take our Hand Show provided one, and we're just gonna clip it in to one on this side, one on the other side. And I'm gonna try my best to hide these wires just because they're so thick. So there's a little slot right here. Just try to push them down there. Wow, just like that, we're good to go. I literally just finished the install right now. We have 4 minutes remaining. I'm gonna go ahead and extend the charge a little bit. Need a little bit more miles for this trip, but that was not bad at all. That was the time including filming and all that. So let's go ahead and take a look at this rear screen display. Here's everything that this has. Oh wow, I actually love how the screen feels. Sometimes with these aftermarket tablets, you could kind of feel like a lag when you press on the screen, but this one actually feels nice. It feels like an iPhone. So anybody back here can watch YouTube if they want to watch YouTube. It looks like you do need to connect to some sort of hotspot, which is probably in the settings somewhere, but I'm just going through real quick to show you guys what else they have on here. So we got the Google Play Store, Speed Play, don't know what that is, gallery, video. So you could probably just download a whole bunch of different apps on here. It seems like this is more of a Google tablet. We also see that the car is charged to 80%. Outside temperature is 12.5 degrees Celsius. Oh my goodness. So this is a pretty cool feature. I love how it just integrates nice and sleekly into this centerpiece right here. It looks super nice. Overall difficulty rating, I would say it's maybe like a 3 out of 10. So I think anyone can do this, to be honest. You just need to make sure you click things into the right areas. Take your time, and that's pretty much it. You probably need about 20 to 30 minutes if you haven't done this before, but if you've done it, you could probably do this in like 5 to 10 minutes. If y'all are interested in this, don't forget to use my discount code and check out the link down below. And once again, huge shout out to Handshow for sending this over. I really appreciate it. Let's go. All right, you guys, I think it's about time to just give you guys a little bit more information on what's going on with the Tesla, what happened exactly, and how I plan on fixing it. So I ended up dropping it on some BC coilovers, and I don't even think I recorded that because I just dropped it off at the homie Luke's. He ended up installing them, and I ended up picking it back up. But I took a whole bunch of pictures of it with the TEs, and it looked amazing. The only issue was that the TEs in the front, the tires are extra meaty, and the front fenders are super sharp. Which is why we are back on these stocks. Because if you look at this area over here, we were rubbing pretty crazy from this area to this area. The left side was the side that is rubbing the least, but the right side is even crazier. You can even see little piece of tire right there. So basically what was happening was the inside portion, as you guys can see, is chewing my tire on the TEs. I'm basically waiting for the homie rub doctor to kind of, you know, clean this area up. So we'll clear everything and we won't rub, because it's slightly starting to pull the fender a little bit because it's hitting this area right here. And you could probably see, you see how the bumper is right here, and then the fender is like going out a little bit. So I went ahead, threw on the stocks in the meantime until we get that all situated. But this is how the car is looking. This is the ride height right now. I wish I did a video when I had it on the TEs, but this is what we're working with. Yo, quick shout out to the rub doctor for fixing my fenders. I'm about to throw the TEs back on, and hopefully that fixes the tire slicing that was going on. But guys, on the way to the rub doctor's house, a stone, like a huge stone, flew up, hit my hood. And at the time, I wasn't even really thinking about it too much. I was like, oh, yo, and boy, ooh, it left some damage. Literally have the car wrapped for maybe a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks at most. And look at this. It freaking blew a chunk off of the wrap. You could even see the paint that it knocked off. So that's so sad, man. That really bothers me because literally the car is perfect and a chunk just blew off like that. So I hit my homie RG up. He's gonna be probably rewrapping this. We gotta order another like 5-foot roll from Innositech. That's super freaking annoying, but at least the fenders are fixed now, so I could get rid of these stock wheels and put the TE37s back on, because I think that's what completed the entire car. The way that it looks right now is cool with the stock wheels, but those TE37s, they hit a little different. All right, you guys, we've been having some issues here and there with the Model 3, but I do have some good news. Your boys just picked up a brand new toy, and I'm excited to add this one onto the channel for you guys. I picked up the Varla Eagle 1, which is this electric scooter right here, and this thing is a demon on wheels. The top speed is 40 miles an hour, and the range is about 40 miles as well. It has all these cool buttons, little bell action, little key action. This thing is crazy. It's also dual motor, and the homie Omar got one as well. We rode these last night, but we figured we'd go ahead and take it out today because today looks amazing. Look at that. Super nice day today. But I basically just wanted to go ahead and ride this for you guys, and just show you how fun this thing is. I already know people are gonna ask how much this scooter was. This one was pretty expensive. It was $1,700, but Varla's doing a discount if you buy two. So if you have yourself and a homie, they give you $700 off of your order. So I'll have that linked down below. This is not sponsored or anything, but Omar and I bought some Costco scooters, some Segways, and they didn't perform as well as we thought they would.
Do not buy scooters about them.
They said that they could go 25 miles, and we ended up riding it in Santa Monica. We did about 4 or 5 and they were dead already. But we rode these yesterday for 5 miles and we still had pretty much a full charge. So everything's looking good with this scooter right here. But again, I'll have all of their info linked down below. And I believe that sale is just for the first 100 or something scooters that they sell. So if you have a homie that wants to buy it and you got the extra bread to spend, these things are freaking fast and they're super fun. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Safety first. I'm trying to get a full face helmet, but this will have to do for now. All the helmets are so crazy expensive, bro, but I know I gotta get it. I'm gonna get it for sure. Dual suspension, baby. All right, I'm gonna try to catch up with him. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna hit it on mode 3. Mode 3 is the fastest mode. This one goes 40 miles an hour, dual motor right here. Let's go through the houses. I wanna hit 40 right now.
You gotta go to that strip.
No, this strip right here. Right here.
Oh, right?
Just go straight. 40 miles an hour. 3, 2, 1, go. 20. 30. We're at 30 right now. 31. Woo! Oh my god. Yo. Damn, nice ass house. Look at that. Dude, even that 31 is kind of like, woo. Huh?
Guys don't get watery?
Yeah, a little bit. I don't know if you guys can, it probably looks slow on the video, but look, just when I go, it's like instant power. We're already at 20 miles an hour, just boom like that. Let's go this way. Oh my god. 33 miles an hour, 33, 35. Yo. I hit 35. For real. My eyes are watery. Now I know what you're talking about. My eyes are hella watery after that. Hill, no problem. Woo, 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 woo.
I was there's nobody here.
Whew. Ah, I feel alive! Woo! Oh my god, I'm about to lose my voice. We can probably keep up with the cars. Oh shit. Bro.
Oh, so bad.
Dude, we were keeping up with the cars.
Oh, holy shit.
How do we get up here? Alright, go this way? Let's go this way. Yeah, I'm gonna ride on the grass. Right there, this way. Right here. Yeah, we good. Yo, shout out Varla. Everybody's gonna think this is a freaking sponsored video. I wish. $35. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how to explain that feeling, but it just feels like an adrenaline rush. Man, these things are super fun. Again, not sponsored. We spent our hard-earned dollars on these things and they were expensive, but coming from a $600 scooter to a $1,700 scooter, you definitely feel the difference. I didn't even know that this was over here. We got people feeding birds. We got a big ass bag of bread. Look at that. If y'all enjoy content like this, I'd be happy to do more of it. Just let me know in the comment section down below. And again, everything Varla related will be down below in the description. Not sponsored, but they are doing that sale right now. And I don't know how long that's gonna last. So if you need a scooter, no, it's not sponsored. We spend hella money. But yes, Varla, super fun. See y'all very soon in the next video though. I'm out. Peace.